If you are a dog owner, you know how challenging it can be to keep your car free from stubborn pet hair. Luckily, there are several simple and effective ways to tackle this problem and keep your car looking clean and fresh. Remove the mats from the car if possible, lay them flat, and begin by vacuuming while simultaneously scrubbing with a stiff bristled brush. The trick is to move the brush and vacuum together, brush in short, firm strokes to loosen embedded hairs, while the vacuum immediately picks them up. Once the mats are clean, move on to the car's upholstery. Use the same technique, vacuum and brush at the same time. Gently scrub the seats and backrests with the brush while running the vacuum nozzle right alongside. Dryer sheets quickly loosen pet hair by reducing static cling, making cleanup easier and leaving your car smelling fresh. To use them, simply take a fresh dryer sheet and rub it over the areas covered with pet hair. You'll notice the hair begins to clump up, making it easy to pick up by hand or with a vacuum. Dryer sheets also leave behind a pleasant scent, which is a bonus in keeping your car smelling fresh. Brushing your dog regularly helps reduce the amount of loose hair that ends up in your car. It also keeps their coat healthy and minimizes shedding. The pet grooming glove brush makes grooming easy and enjoyable for both you and your pet, collecting shed fur before it ends up on your car seats. Duct tape works like a powerful lint roller. Just press it onto the fabric and peel it off to lift stubborn pet hair. It's great for reaching tight spots and seams where vacuums can't reach. Using car seat covers helps protect your seats from dog hair, dirt, and scratches, making cleanup much easier. They are washable, removable, and keep your car looking clean and fur-free. The PetSafe Happy Ride hammock seat cover helps prevent dog hair from sticking to your car seats in the first place. It makes cleanup faster and easier by catching loose fur before it spreads throughout your car. A fabric softener mixed with water can loosen stubborn pet hair stuck to car seats. Just spray lightly and wipe. This reduces static and makes hair easier to remove. A pet hair remover is a handy tool designed to remove stubborn pet hair from fabric surfaces in your car, such as the seats and carpet. The bristles of the brush create friction against the fabric, effectively loosening and lifting embedded pet hair into clumps. These clumps can then be easily collected by hand or vacuumed away, making cleanup simple and efficient. With these easy tips and tricks, managing dog hair in your car becomes a breeze. A little regular care goes a long way to keeping your car fresh, clean, and ready for your next adventure with your furry friend.